Hello, today I'm going to show you how to substitute the Mobi file of your ebook and the manuscript of your paperback. Let's start. First you go to kdp.amazon.com and go to your bookshelf. Here is the list with all the books you have published. Choose the ebook you want to substitute the Mobi file of. In this case, I will choose the fairy and the butterfly. And then go to these three dots in front of the ebook and select Edit ebook content. Now you're on your Kindle ebook content page. Click on the button that says Upload ebook manuscript. This will open a window to your computer files. Go to the place where you have saved your Mobi file. Here it is, the fairy and the butterfly. This is my Mobi file. Then select your Mobi file and it will start uploading. Now the manuscript of your ebook has uploaded successfully. KDP is processing your file. Now move down and launch the previewer of your ebook. This may take a while. Just wait patiently. The previewer is ready. Click OK and check your ebook. See if everything looks right. In my case, everything is looking fine. In this case, you click here on Book Details again. And you will be back on your Kindle ebook content page. Now you scroll down again and just save and continue. Now the Kindle ebook content has been saved and they moved you to your Kindle ebook pricing page. Here we don't want to change anything. We just wanted to change the ebook Mobi file. So we will just scroll down and publish your Kindle ebook. Just click on this button here, publish your Kindle ebook. Let's move to the paperback. You must be on your bookshelf page again and scroll down to the paperback. In this case, we want to update the manuscript of the paperback. So here is the paperback I want to substitute the manuscript of. Click again on the three dots in front of the paperback and select Edit Print Book Content. You are now on the paperback content page. Scroll down until you find the manuscript section. And here, click on the button that says Upload Paperback Manuscript. Again, a window is opened that shows the files in your computer. You must go to the folder that contains the manuscript which you want to upload. Here is mine, and double click on it. Now it is uploading. It is ready. The manuscript has been uploaded successfully. And KDP is processing your file. Now scroll down again and click on Launch Previewer. You will have to wait just like previously. Okay, it's ready now. So click on the arrow of the previewer and check if everything is fine, if your manuscript has been uploaded well, if everything is in the right place. And after this, in case everything is fine, click on the button and click on the button that says Approve. So now you should be back on the paperback content page. Scroll down again till the bottom of the page and click on the button that says Save and Continue. And wait a little bit. Okay, so now they saved all the changes that you made to the paperback content page and moved you to the paperback rights and pricing. Here we don't want to change anything because we just wanted to change things on the paperback content page. So we just scroll down till the bottom of the page and click on Publish Your Paperback Book. And we are all ready. So this is all for today. If you would like to see more content and tutorials related to KDP and children's books and other types of books and publishing, please follow. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.